Hi, welcome to Nosware channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to hide Windows taskbar in Windows 10. First, you can hide taskbar with right-click on your taskbar and choose taskbar settings. And then select automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode if you want to hide your taskbar in desktop, or in tablet mode if you want to hide in tablet mode. First, in here, when I click on, you can see my taskbar setting is hidden when I didn't active in a few seconds. You can see there. But if you hover on your taskbar, it will appear again. Okay, that's all tutorial how to hide Windows taskbar in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.